Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the HONOR X6b. Okay, so let's begin. At first I will say there are a few methods, so I'm gonna show you all of them. So first we can go into the settings and into system and updates. Now get into backup and restore and click on data backup. As you can see, you can pick here an external storage or the HONOR suite. So let's pick the external storage. You can pick the memory card or USB storage. So for now I'm gonna plug this in as a USB storage into our phone. Now we can pick the USB storage, and here we can click on backup. As you can see, I don't have free space on this device, so I won't do it, but you just simply click on backup. That's using the USB storage. Okay. Now we can go back and select backup to Google. So basically all of the backups will be restored in your Google account in here. So please type your Google account, or if you don't have one, just add. Also click on Google account, and here you can click on backup now. As you can see, now the data is backupping. It's gonna take a while, so please be patient. You can see this bar above, and basically when it comes to the end, that will mean that the backup is done. But we're not gonna wait that much time. Again, data backup, and now the HONOR suite. So first you need to install and open HONOR suite on the computer and connect this using the USB cable. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So let's connect with the USB cable into the phone and into the computer. Okay, so now when you downloaded the app, it should be looking like this. I don't know why it downloaded into my computer in the Polish, but no worries, I'll show you how to do this. So now, as you can see, it doesn't recognize the device. So click on USB. Now first we need to, the phone is connected, as you can see, and here we need to pick the use USB to transfer files / Android Auto. So click on this. Now you can click on done, next, and now we need to go into the settings in the phone and basically enter the developer mode. To enter the mode, first you need to go into About Phone and tap on the build number a few times. As you can see, I'm already a developer, so I don't need to do this, but you will have to. And now click on System and Updates and into Developer Options. Enable it over here, scroll down a little bit, and enable USB debugging. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK over here to allow USB debugging. Okay, now we can go into the computer now and enter the 8-digit code, which is right over here on our phone. So simply type it and click on connect. Oh, I typed it wrong, sorry. Okay. Okay. Now it shows us the phone. And to create a backup, simply click on copy. And now this button over here. Oh, sorry, now it need to wait a little bit. And here you can pick which apps, and basically here you select what you want to backup. So once you've done this, simply click on copy. And now you need to set a password over here. And the password needs to be from 8 to 32 digits and have the numbers, the big letters and the small letters. So I'm gonna create a 1. Okay, click on OK. Oh, also the hint to the password. And now click on OK. And as you can see, the process has started. It's gonna take a while, so you need to be patient. All of the apps and the information are being copied right now. And that's basically how you create a backup on the HONOR X6b. So we're gonna wait until the process is finished. Okay, and the process is finished. You can click on finish. And the backup has been done successfully. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.